This my video has gotten 1013 views since I uploaded it, and I'll be using this video to make a video on how much YouTube paid me for 1000 views. So I'll be screen recording this video's analytics, and then I'll be mixing it with this video that I'm making for you all to see. So when I click on the analytics of this video, like I said, moving to the analytics of this video, I can see that the general overview of this video is that this video has gotten 1k view. YouTube approximated it to 1k, like I said, is 1013, but YouTube has approximated it to 1k views, and this video has given me 23 watch hours since I uploaded it, and this video has given me 7 subscribers. So when I check on the average view duration of this video has average view duration of 1 minute 22 seconds. This literally means that on the average, each person that clicked on this video has watched for 1 minute 22 seconds. Then average percentage viewed is 16.9%. So moving to the reach of this video has impression of 7.8 thousand. That means YouTube has shown this video or suggested this video, like the thumbnail of this video, to 7,800 people, and out of these 7,800 people is just 1013 people that have been interested in clicking on the video at all, whether they clicked in and clicked out immediately, or they clicked in and stayed to watch, or they clicked in and they were forwarding the video. This record just means that generally this is the number of people that YouTube has suggested this content to, and this is the number of people that have clicked on the content. Then the impression click-through rate is 6.1, and this video does not have any unique viewers. How viewers found this video, I can see that that's why it is highly important that you are using your playlist, you are using your end screen, you are using your cards, you are putting the description of your, like the link of your videos, other content in the description box of your content of your videos. These things are very important, as small as it is and as overlooking as it can be. As much as you can overlook it, they are very important. Like, check out this my video of how viewers found this video. Playlist has the highest percentage. Since I've been making how much YouTube pays video on this my channel, I've not seen any video that has a record like this, like that has the highest how viewers found the video from, like that has the highest record from playlist. But fortunately for this video, for how viewers found this particular video, the highest percentage is from playlists. Please do not underestimate the power of playlists. Don't underestimate the power of playlists, end screen, cards, putting your video link in your description box. They have their own function and they are working, as you can see from this my video. So playlist has 44.6%. Then the next is browse feature. Even before people searched for this topic, right? Before people searched for the topic of this my video, my playlist has even shown it to a larger audience, even larger than those that are searching, typing for this topic. So please always make sure you are making use of your playlist. So the next is browse feature, which has 16.8%. Other YouTube features, channel pages, suggested videos, and the rest. So for the external sites or app that are also suggesting this video, I can see Google search, and then I can see WhatsApp, because sometimes I put the links to my videos on my WhatsApp status, and at the same time there is a way to go about it. You don't just copy your link and paste on your WhatsApp status. There are strategies to this thing, and majorly the most important way to go about it, of all the ways to go about putting your link on your WhatsApp, is as soon as you upload a video, let it stay on YouTube for at least 2 days, which is 48 hours, before you copy the link, before you can copy the link and put on your WhatsApp status or share with anybody at all. The only place you can share it within that 48 hours that you've uploaded the video is on your community on YouTube, like your post. You can share the video on your post, like community, right there in YouTube, not outside YouTube. So if you want to share your link outside YouTube at all, be it WhatsApp or anywhere at all, please let that video have stayed for at least 48 hours on YouTube. Leave YouTube to do its thing on the video first. before you take it out to external sources. So for this my video, I can see that Google search is suggesting it, and then WhatsApp is also suggesting it. Then for content suggesting this video, I can see, because this video is a video on how to cut and sew a blouse here, how to cut and sew a particular kind of blouse, and the content suggesting this video, they are all content related to cutting and sewing. I can see neck design, cutting and stitching, how to cut and sew Iran buba straps, how to make v neckline, like, and all of that. They are majorly cutting and sewing videos. I can also see the playlist that are featuring these videos, and then I can see that there are some people that turn on the bell notification, and once they got the notification, they clicked on it. And I can also see the YouTube search terms that people are searching for before they found my video. I can see all of them here. Like I do say, when I'm making a content, when I'm making a video on how much YouTube pays, like this, like when I'm making a content on me majorly analyzing my videos, sometimes when I'm trying to search for a topic to create my next video around, I just come to, like, I watch out for my videos with the highest views, right? And then I go to this their YouTube search terms, and I search for YouTube search terms for those my videos with high views, so that I can know the next video, like the next video to kind of create, like the next topic to kind of create a video around. It might not 100% be the same, but at least something similar, because I know that people are searching for it, like my audience are searching for it on YouTube. So I'll just go to my videos with the highest views, I'll search their YouTube search terms, and then I'll just pick any topic that I know that is convenient for me to create my next video around from here. That's it for the reach of this video. Moving straight to the engagement of this video, like I said, this video has given me 23 watch hours, and then the average view duration is 1.21. Then I can also see the audience retention and all of that. I can see that this video has likes and dislikes. You don't always see your dislikes right there in your content on YouTube stopped showing dislikes on YouTube. There was a time you could see that your content had the thumbs up and thumbs down. You will see that you had thumbs up and thumbs down. There was a time like that on YouTube, but now YouTube stopped showing thumbs down. Like, no other person can see your thumbs down except you, and that's the when you come to your YouTube studio that you will see that this your content so did not just have thumbs up, it also has some thumbs down. So I can see that this video has some thumbs up and thumbs down, and thumbs down or thumbs up is still a form of engagement. That doesn't mean that your channel or your video is that bad. Some people are just. Then I can see end screen element click through rate, because I use this video as end screen as well. I can see the end screen element click through rate, and that is it for the engagement of this video. I would not want to see more. So moving straight to the audience of this video, I can see the device type that people are using to watch the video, and I can see that mobile phone has the highest percentage of 90.5, then computer has 4.3%, and TV has 3.6%, tab has 1.6%. Let me just see more to see, okay, there is no more. Another thing is, if a larger percentage of your audience or of your viewers on a particular video, I'm talking about a monetized channel, for a monetized channel, if a larger percentage of people that have watched a particular video are from computer or TV, you get higher revenue than when they are from mobile phones like this. And they are majorly from mobile phones, because how many people are watching YouTube content on their TV or on their computer? A lot of people do it, don't get me wrong, but for me, my videos that I've been analyzing since, mobile phones have always been the highest percent. But if you are lucky to get a view, like a larger percentage of view from TV or computer, you get higher revenue. And reason being that, most of the ads that play on a YouTube video that is being watched on television are not even skippable. They're not skippable. Most of those ads, you would not see that skip ad button come up if you are watching on television. If on a particular video, let's say on a 9-minute video, 4 advertisements are to play on that video, 3 out of those 4 advertisements will not be skippable if you are watching it with television. If you've not been noticing and you used to watch YouTube videos with television, you should be noticing from now. You would see that when those advertisements come up, you cannot skip them. You won't even see that skip ad button. You won't see it for like out of the 4, for like 3 of them. It's only one that you'll be able to skip away the advertisement. But when you are watching on phone, a larger percentage of those advertisements that will play. Let's say on phone, let's say 4 advertisements are to play on phone. 3 of them will be skippable. You will see the skip ad button will be able to, like, it will come up, it will be clickable, so you can just skip away. And I know that a lot of people skip away. A lot of people skip away. So if you're watching people's video and then advertisement comes up, just do them the good. Since they are doing you, like, you're enjoying their content, it's not as if they are doing you a favor, putting out that content. I won't say that, but for you to be enjoying for you to be watching their content, that means that you are enjoying their content. So if you are finding their content interesting, please help them to engage with the advertisement. Don't just skip the advertisement away, because that is where they earn from. Like this YouTube revenue you are talking about on YouTube is from the advertisement. It's not from just watching the video and skipping away the advertisement. You have to watch the advertisement and probably engage with the advertisement. That's where their earnings come from. I don't want this video to get too long. If not, I have a lot of explanation that I want to do, but I'm not going to explain too much any longer. I'll just be going straight to the point. Okay, so moving to the age, I can see the age and gender that has watched this video, and then I can as well see that a larger percentage of people that have watched this video are not subscribed. Then the top geography of this video is Nigeria, and let me just move straight to the revenue. Moving to the revenue of this video, since I've uploaded this video has earned me. This video has earned me is $0. Why am I even putting dollar at all? This video has earned me 60 cents. This video has earned me 60 cents, as you can see. And how did I make this money? I made this money from watch page ad. Yeah, so how much advertisers pay, that's the CPM of this video. The CPM of this video is $1.48. RPM of this video is 60 cents, because this video has gotten exactly 1000 views. So the RPM of this video is 60 cents. So that's it for how much YouTube paid me for my video that has gotten 1000 views. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask me down in the comment section. My name is Oluwatosin. In case this is the first time you are seeing my channel, and you're welcome. Please do well to subscribe, and do not just subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified the next time I upload any video on this channel. On this channel, I've made like 2 to 3 videos on how much YouTube paid me for this same 1000 views. You know that amount for 1000 views for the same creator, like a single creator like me, can differ. It's not about from different creator to another creator. You personally, like a single creator, the amount you'll be earning for 1000 views for video A might be different from the amount you'll be earning for 1000 views for video B. So I've made other video talking about how much YouTube paid me for 1000 views. If you're interested in seeing that video, click on this box on the left side of your screen, this side of your screen. And I made another video talking about how much YouTube paid me for 2000 views. If you're interested in seeing that video, click on this box on this side of your screen. And I have other video talking about how much YouTube paid me for 5000 views. If you want to watch that video, click on the link in my description box to watch that video. Thank you so much for watching from the beginning till this point. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.